Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix Roblox not sending password reset emails. First, let us confirm your internet connection is stable, ensuring your device is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or cellular data. A strong connection is crucial for smooth communication with Roblox servers. This simple check often resolves many initial problems before you dive deeper into other troubleshooting steps. Always start here for a quick resolution, as network issues are a common culprit. Your password reset email might have landed in an unexpected place. Always check your spam or junk mail folders, as email providers sometimes misclassify these messages. You should also add info@Roblox.com to your safe sender list to prevent future emails from being blocked. Finally, confirm your email inbox is not full, as a full inbox will stop you from receiving any new messages at all. It is vital to confirm you are using the exact email address linked to your Roblox account. Many users have multiple email accounts, so try each one you might have used when creating your account. Even a tiny typo in the email address, such as an extra letter or a missing dot, will prevent the reset link from reaching you. Double-check every character for accuracy. Sometimes the issue lies with your browser or device. Try requesting the password reset from a different web browser, like Firefox or Edge, if you are currently using Chrome. Alternatively, use a completely different device, such as a phone or another computer. Clearing your current browser's cache and cookies can also resolve issues caused by old or corrupted data, offering a fresh start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.